Happy Independence Day, Jamaica, my beautiful island home. The video that you're about to watch was actually created using AI, in video AI to be specific, and I'll link in video in the description, and I'll also link a video that I've shared on my other channel that explains how to create videos like that. And in video AI, I can actually clone my voice. So what you'll be hearing is my clone voice. That's why my accent is gonna be a little bit more fancy. But in the video, I talk about some amazing things about Jamaica that makes us stand out across the world, despite the fact that we're such a small island. So enjoy this video, and for those of you watching, which many of you don't live in Jamaica, it's an opportunity for you to learn a thing or two about our island home. And right now I'm at the resort. Let me just show you what that looks like. So this is the view, and I'm in Jamaica at a resort. You can watch my videos that I've shared earlier on this channel that tells you where I'm at and what we're doing here. It's a group of 30 of us, and we have been having a blast so far. So, all that said, I hope you enjoy this video. Jamaica, an island nation in the Caribbean, is renowned for its rich culture, vibrant music, and extraordinary achievements on the global stage. This article delves into the many firsts, records, and remarkable facts that have put Jamaica in the international spotlight. First in Jamaica, first country to impose economic sanctions against apartheid South Africa.
Was a system put in place by the Afrikaner National Party in 1948, which allowed for lawful segregation using racial divide.
In 1957, Jamaica became the first nation to officially boycott South Africa. First Caribbean country to gain independence. Jamaica set a precedent for the English-speaking Caribbean by gaining independence from the United Kingdom on August 6, 1962. This landmark achievement paved the way for other Caribbean nations to pursue self-governance. First to launch a national airline in the English-speaking Caribbean. Air Jamaica was established in 1968, making Jamaica a pioneer in regional air travel and providing a vital connection between the island and the rest of the world. First country in the world to sign the International Coffee Agreement. In 1962, Jamaica became the first nation to sign the International Coffee Agreement, which aimed to stabilize coffee prices and promote fair trade. This agreement helped secure Jamaica's reputation for producing high-quality Blue Mountain coffee. First Caribbean nation to qualify for the FIFA World Cup. The Jamaican national soccer team, affectionately known as the Reggae Boys, made history by qualifying for the FIFA World Cup in 1998. This achievement marked a significant milestone in the development of Caribbean football. First free village, Accompong. Accompong, established in 1739, is one of the first free villages in Jamaica. Founded by the Maroons, descendants of enslaved Africans who escaped plantations, Accompong is a symbol of resistance and self-governance. It remains an important cultural and historical site, celebrating the Maroon spirit and heritage. Records held by Jamaica, fastest man and woman. Jamaica is famous for its exceptional sprinters, including Usain Bolt, who holds the world record for the 100 meters and 200 meters sprints, and Elaine Thompson-Herah, who holds the record for the fastest woman alive, with Shericka Jackson being the fastest 200 meters woman alive.
21.46. She becomes the fastest living woman on earth.
And it does not there, as Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is the first woman to win 4 world championship titles in the 100 meters and the first woman to win a world championship gold medal after becoming a mother.
She's got to be the greatest 100-meter sprinter the world has ever seen, including Bolt, male or female, doesn't matter.
Let's talk about how Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is basically the greatest 100-meter sprinter of all time. Did you see her jog to 10.9 in the semis and then rocket to a gold medal in the final? And this is 14 years after her first global gold, which came at the 2008 Olympics in Beijing.
The extent of her reign over an event that's so hard to dominate for 2 or 3 years, let alone 10 or 12, is extraordinary.
These are just some of the amazing accomplishments of Jamaica's athletes. This is amazing for such a small nation. Most Olympic medals in the Caribbean. Jamaica has secured more Olympic medals than any other Caribbean nation, excelling primarily in track and field events. This impressive record showcases the island's commitment to athletic excellence. Largest natural harbor in the Caribbean. Kingston Harbour is one of the largest natural harbours in the world, serving as a vital hub for trade and commerce in the Caribbean. World record for the most 100 meter sub 10 seconds by a male sprinter. Asafa Powell, another Jamaican sprinting legend, has run the 100 meters in under 10 seconds more times than any other athlete, cementing his place in track and field history. Youngest female world champion in the 200 meters. Veronica Campbell-Brown won the world championship in the 200 meters at the age of 18 in 2000, becoming the youngest female athlete to achieve this feat. First Caribbean country to beat the USA in football. Jamaica made history as the first Caribbean nation to defeat the USA in a senior men's international football match. This victory marked a significant achievement for Jamaican football and showcased the island's growing prowess in the sport. Remarkable facts about Jamaica. Birthplace of reggae music. Jamaica is the birthplace of reggae music, a genre that has captivated audiences worldwide. Bob Marley, one of its most famous exponents, used reggae to spread messages of love, peace, and social justice. Influential Rastafarian movement. The Rastafarian movement, which began in Jamaica in the 1930s, has had a global cultural impact. It promotes principles of equality, peace, and spiritual connection, influencing music, art, and culture worldwide. Home to the Blue Mountains. The Blue Mountains in Jamaica are famous for producing some of the world's best coffee. The unique climate and rich soil contribute to the distinctive flavor of Blue Mountain coffee, making it a sought-after delicacy. Rich cultural heritage. Jamaica boasts a vibrant cultural heritage with influences from African, European, and indigenous Taino cultures. This diverse mix is reflected in the island's music, dance, cuisine, and festivals. Pioneering bobsled team. Jamaica's bobsled team made history with their debut in the 1988 Winter Olympics, inspiring the popular movie Cool Runnings. Despite the tropical climate, the team demonstrated courage and determination, capturing the world's imagination. James Bond connection. Ian Fleming, the author of the James Bond novels, wrote his famous spy stories at his Jamaican estate GoldenEye. Jamaica has been featured in several Bond films, adding to its allure as a destination for adventure and intrigue. First Caribbean country to launch its own television service. In 1963, Jamaica established the Jamaica Broadcasting Corporation, or JBC, becoming the first Caribbean nation to launch its own television service. This development marked a significant step in the country's media landscape. Jamaican Railway. Jamaica was the first country outside of Europe and North America to construct a railway, beginning in 1845. The railway played a crucial role in the island's economic development, facilitating the transportation of goods and passengers across the island. Electricity in Jamaica. Jamaica was among the first countries in the Caribbean to introduce electricity. In 1892, electric street lights were installed in Kingston, making it one of the earliest cities in the Western Hemisphere to adopt this innovation. Conclusion. Jamaica's rich history of firsts, records, and remarkable achievements is a testament to its enduring spirit and influence on the world stage. From its cultural contributions to its athletic prowess, Jamaica continues to inspire and captivate people worldwide. The island's legacy of breaking barriers and setting new standards is a source of pride for Jamaicans